Do you have plans of embarking on a weight loss or detox journey? If your answer to that question is yes, then stick around because in this video, I will show you how to make ROSELLE aka ZOBO for weight loss and detox. If this is your first time in this channel, you're very welcome. Please consider hitting on that red subscribe button and turning on your notification bell. And for my return subscribers, you're welcome back. So for this recipe, you will need some ginger, you need cloves. So this is what cloves look like. In case if you don't know it, this is exactly what it looks like. And you also need some garlic, you need some lime, you need cucumber and moringa leaf aka miracle leaf because it does a lot of miracle. So here we've got some pineapple and the peel. So this is also our ZOBO leaf, that's the ROSELLE. Yeah, this is it. So I'll go ahead and wash all the ingredients that I have not washed yet. So after washing, I'll go ahead and introduce the moringa. Here I've got clove, ginger and garlic all blended together. I'll put that in. I'll also cut my lime to pieces and also drop that to the pot, and then add my ROSELLE aka ZOBO, then top with water. So next, cover the pot and cook for 20 minutes. So this after 20 minutes, I'll go ahead and turn off the heat and allow it to cool down. Next, I'll be using a chiffon cloth to remove the chaff, that's to separate the chaff from the juice. So as you can see, it's not completely cool, but the temperature is considerate. So make sure you don't get yourself burnt. So to that, I'll be adding my blended pineapple and cucumber. So for this recipe, you won't be needing any kind of sweetener. If after making it you feel it's not sweet enough, you can go ahead and add more pineapple. You don't need to add honey, no date syrup, don't say it's natural, no sweetener. So that's just it for this video. Go ahead and store it in a jar, in a jug, and each time you want to take it, just go ahead and use a spatula, turn it first before you pour into the cup. As you can see, if you look closely, you will see a lot of fiber settled at the bottom. So if you are here to subscribe to this channel, please endeavor to do so. Bye.